MBGray Designs. I'm so happy you are here today. I am participating in Domestic Diva's Fall DIY Challenge. It's a monthly challenge that she has, and it's an open invite, so any creators that are interested can join each month. And this month's theme is fall. I'm so excited for fall. So I did create some fall DIYs, very simple. And I just really hope it inspires some of you. And again, so happy you are here. So let's get into the DIYs. All right. So as I mentioned, this is the Fall DIY Challenge hosted by Domestic Diva DIY. I will definitely have her channel listed below in the description box. All right, so I have two DIYs for you today. This beautiful lantern that was so easy to make, and this little tin basket that was also easy to make. So we're going to start with the tin basket first, and then the second DIY will be the lantern. So this basket I found at the Goodwill for, I believe it was $1.99. I think it says on the side here. Yep. And it was so simple. All I did was I used Rust-Oleum, white linen, painted it, and then I distressed it. I mean, it was as simple as that. And then I just took some buffalo check ribbon and a couple other ribbons and made a bow. I need help. I really need help with bow making, but anyway, I did that. And then I have all these little pumpkins that were either on picks or whatever that I got at the Dollar Tree. And so I went ahead and took those and I used pool and moss and ivory, and I kind of just made some little colors and I painted them. And then I took a little bit of raffia, put it in the bottom and just put the pumpkins in, and that was it. It's really quick and easy, and I just think it turned out so super cute. When you go to a thrift store, I mean, I cannot tell you how many times there's just so many types of little baskets and wicker baskets, metal baskets. I just think that's a great place to go find items like this. So anyways, all right, well, I will let you watch this DIY, and then I will catch up with you on the beginning of the second DIY.
Sunrise, sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadow self. It's time, I can tell. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls will wash me. The wicked drown in water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drown in water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls will wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drown in water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drown in water. We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. No waterfalls to wash me. The wicked drown in water, let go, wicked water. You wicked drown in water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls to wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drown in water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drown in water.
All right, so hopefully you liked that first DIY. Moving on to the second DIY. This is also really easy. I have these two pictures that I got these on clearance. I want to say at Michael's or somewhere like that. But anyway, I just took some of this spackling stuff, and because it was kind of these little holes, where the words were and stuff. So I just filled that all up. And then I'm going to paint 4 plunger sticks from the Dollar Tree, the white linen, or linen white rather, as well as these signs. And I'm also going to paint, there's going to be a round and a smaller sign as well. You'll see that here in a moment. So this is the round I'm going to use, and then one of those smaller Dollar Tree signs. So yeah, I'm going to paint those, and then what you're going to see me do, I'm going to fill that hole in on that wood round, which I also got at the Dollar Tree. I love those. They're very thick. And that's going to be they're going to be layered on top of each other. I'm also going to take a shower curtain ring and I'm going to wrap twine around it. I didn't have a finial, so that's what I used, and it worked out, I thought, just fine. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap twine around some different areas of the frames, just to dress it up a little bit. I'm going to adhere these 4 plunger sticks to each of the corners inside this first picture box frame, whatever you want to call it. And then the smaller frame and the round will be glued on top of the other picture box frame because it's going to act like the top of the lantern along with the shower curtain. I mean, that's all it really was. It was actually really, really easy. You're going to see a little bit more detail in the footage here. But it wasn't hard at all. And then, of course, you'll see some more pictures at the end. I also did a close-up picture of the top because I decorated it with like a twine pumpkin and a few other little things. So if you want to see that, that's at the end as well. All right, I'm going to let you sit back and enjoy. I'll catch up with you in just a little bit.
Blue sky, oh, when the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know that what has been, and there's no use looking back, going back, wishing back. Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new?
All right, so just the finishing touches here, and then you'll see some pictures. So I just want to say, if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. And if you are new or coming over from the playlist, I'm really happy you are here, and I hope you consider joining my YouTube family. So thank you everyone for joining me today, and I really hope that this may have given you some inspiration. and hope you enjoyed my DIYs. Thank you.